Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bhavna Joshi and I will be taking the subject childhood and growing up. So today in this subject childhood and growing up, we will be discussing about the concept of socialization with respect to family. So it is very important to know the meaning of socialization. Socialization is the process by which individual adapt to his social environment. How you adapt to your social environment and attain the conformity, social conformity with it, and become a recognized and cooperating and efficient member of the society, that is what is called as the socialization. So by this process, an individual learns the lifestyle of the society, how the people live in society, how what language they use, the behavioral manners, the customs, the traditions of that society. This all constitute to the socialization. Now, Now, family. What is family? Family is the primary agency of socialization. There are other agencies also, like school, the society, the peer group, but family plays a very important role, and it is the primary agency of the socialization. As we all know that family is the first school of the child. So, to a very large extent, inculcation of the child occurs within the circle of this primary family group. So parents play a very vital and a very important role in guiding children into their gender roles. So what a male should do and what a female should do, that starts from the family itself. So family is the one who tells the at first that what are the gender roles for these children. So family also teach children values they will hold throughout their lives. So children frequently adopt parents' attitude about work and the importance of education, patriotism, and religion also. Now, there are, with respect to child rearing practices or parenting style, there are main four parenting styles which we will study today. One first is the authoritarian, then is the authoritative, third is the permissive or indulgent, and last is the uninvolved or neglected parenting style. First child rearing practice is the authoritarian child rearing practice. So in this type of parenting, parents put high value on conformity and obedience. So they are very particular about the obedience and laws with which a child should grow up. That means children are expected to follow very strict rules established by the parents. They are authoritarian. So the influence of on children is that children may become very anxious or withdraw and suffer from self-esteem problem, because every time when a parent will tell the child that you have done this thing wrong and you should have done this, like you have done this thing more appropriately, this is wrong. So it indirectly suffers, their self-esteem suffers. So their intellectual, emotional, and social development suffers a great setback. So due to this, being denied much needed opportunities and independence. Next parenting style is authoritative parenting style. So this parenting style is one which is more democratic, and parents are responsive and willing to listen to their children. So they are, they believe in they believe in democratic rule, and they are very responsive and they want to listen to their children. So these parents are more nurturing and forgiving, and they monitor and maintain clear standards of their child's conduct. So influence on children of these type of parenting style is that this type of parenting provides encouragement for the children to grow and develop. We are beside you, you go on. So this is the type of the, this is the influence on the children, that they develop their own capacities by providing proper freedom and opportunities. So these children are mostly self-satisfied and are law-abiding by nature, because they are given full freedom and opportunities in their lives. So the next parenting style is permissive or indulgent. The permissive parenting tend to be warm and loving, but they do not follow a set of rules and limits for their children. So these children are generally, these parents are generally nurturing and communicative, often taking on the status of a friend. So these are the parents who are, usually you have seen that children are saying that my parents are my friends. So they are these type of parents. So the influence on children is, some children tend to have very high self-esteem, better social skills, and report low level of depression. These children do not have self-control and expect to get their way always. They don't have that self-control. They have not they have not grown up in an environment of having a self-control, and they always expect to get their way always. Next is the uninvolved and neglected parenting. So this parenting style is characterized by few demands and low level of response and less communication. That means the parents who are very much busy in their work, they have they have low level of response. They don't communicate much with their children. So these parents fulfill their children's basic needs, but they are always detached and aloof from their child's life. They don't know what is happening in their child's life. They are there for fulfilling the basic needs in terms of money, but they don't know what is going on in their child's life. So influence on children will be, obviously the children are usually withdrawn, they're fearful, they're anxious, and they perform poorly in the school because their parents are not with them. Their parents are not there to look after them. So these children may have feeling of insecurity and lack of safety, and may also have social and emotional incompetence. So I hope you all understood about the family as a socializing agent, the different child rearing practices. Thank you so much.